little fidget toys for your toddler, these are the way to go. They're little pop-it toys. I don't know what these are called, but they actually spin and they can suction to the table or the wall. This little kit was really cool. It came with 3, but we have one in the diaper bag right now. It actually came with different little suction cups to replace them with if they go bad. So I thought that was really cool. And my little one just loves this toy. It's a lifesaver at restaurants. So I would highly recommend this. We also like just stick this on our windows and he will sit there and play with it forever. So I'll have these linked down below. Again, this is a 3-pack. So these are really, really cool.